Alright guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're gonna unbox this 1,500 pound capacity tri-fold aluminum ramp. I'm gonna use it for the ATV. Got it from Harbor Freight. It's made in China. Here's the part number 918. Let's go ahead and open it up. Some tape right here. Tape on this side. It's a really low quality tape. Tape on this side. Go. Looks really nice, really shiny. First thing is first, the manual. Just a few things before we start. Load capacity 1,500 pounds. The ramp length 69 inches. Ramp width is 45 inches. And it's 500 per separated panel. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the zip ties that secure the chain. Zip ties. Let's go ahead and install it. Here we are on the 92 Ford Ranger. Careful with the fingers. Gotta say, it feels pretty nice so far. Looks really nice. The only thing I was worried about was the big holes, the big spaces. I just hope it doesn't make it a problem. I don't think so though. I'm here to test that out. Let's go ahead and install the chains. I'll just put them there. I'll just put them right here. I've seen other people get them like around this and just make it smaller, twisted, and just anchor it from here. We'll see how it works up here though. Should be good. Give it a few twists. Let's go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Should be good. Let's go ahead and try and pull it. That's me pulling it. So that's nice. It does hang in there with the trains, so it doesn't drop on you. Let's go ahead and get the ATV and try to put it on there. Now I don't recommend it that you bring it up there while it's on. This is a small quad also. Small little quad. Got it up there like nothing. Alright, so the measurements from one side to the other. It's a little more than 44 inches. 44 inches and 1/4. And from the bottom, .65 inches and 3/8. For the little pegs, .1 inch and 1/4. And from where it starts, 4 inches and a half. Here's the up close look. Does have the padding on the bottom, like foam padding. Once when you're done, just remove the chains. Fold it like a door, careful with the fingers. And you can slide it right under the ATV. Let me show you. That's a nice thing, what I liked about it. Fits right under ATV right there. So let me know what you guys think. I really like this product so far. It's worth the money. It cost me $140. Everything is getting pricier right now, more expensive, but it's totally worth it. All right. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.